gonna turn the lights on just a little bit. Oh my. Alright, there we go. Hey, what's going on everybody? Nelson here. So in this video, we're gonna be going over what is a solo ad, how to get it, and what to do with it to scale your business. Coming up. So I have already created another video on this topic explaining exactly what solo ads are and how you can incorporate them into your affiliate marketing. If you have not already checked out that video, you can find the link somewhere on this one that will take you to the solo ad video. But in a nutshell, solo ads are mailings you rent out on a vendor's email list. The purpose of the solo ad is to bring that prospect from his email list to your email list so you can retarget them with email marketing. But like I said, in this video, we're actually going to be purchasing the solo ads from one of the vendors, and in this video, we're going to be purchasing it from Coach Tim. Hope I said his name correctly. I'll call him KG. All right, we'll be purchasing our solo ad from KG, and over here, this is where I put my affiliate link, and this is going to be my affiliate link. Oh, not over. Oh, this is actually my affiliate link. And at the end, NTID is going to be and tracking ID. So my tracking ID, I usually like to put the seller's name. My previous order was from Stefan, but this time I'm going to be using it from KG. So I'll put the tracking ID as KG. So why you would want to do this is because sometimes you might be running solo ads from two vendors and traffic is going to be coming from both sides. You don't know where the traffic is actually, where it actually came from. So you put a tracking ID on it. So at the back office where you can see the reports on your leads, there's an ID that's connected with that lead. And I'm going to know that that lead came from KG. All right, let's actually do this thing. So KG is selling it for 49 cents, and that sounds fair to me. We're also going to be throwing in some prime filters and only top tier filter. You can see that the price increased by a little bit if you want the higher quality leads, of course, right? So we're going to be doing that. So add to cart. If you have never purchased your solo ad, this is how it's going to look like when you buy it. And over here, the confirmation, making sure everything looks good. Early start allowed. It's scheduled for the 23rd of August. Today is the 14th of August. Hopefully it gets started way earlier than in 9 days. And yep, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna blurb this out. Hopefully you don't see what I type. Okay. Let me just make sure one more time. 200 clicks, 20 visitors for $127. Sure, let's do it. Okay. We're in it, boys. Okay, and there you go. Waiting for the seller to accept your order. So, okay. I just got the text telling me that I've made the order. And now we wait for the results. Hey everybody, so it's been over a week now since we ordered our traffic from Udimi, and all the subscribers that we ordered has been inputted into my inbox. Well, inside my email list. So what you're looking at right now is Aweber right over there, and what it is basically an email marketing software you can use to retarget your subscribers. So what you're looking at here is the actual subscribers, and you can see their names, their emails, and when they were subscribed. So I placed the order on the 14th and they came in on the 25th. So, you know, not all of them came in on the 25th. Actually, some of them came in a little earlier on the 22nd and the 23rd, 24th, but you know, majority of them did come in on the 25th. Okay, so the solo ad is complete. We got our subscribers, they got their money, and we're good to go. Now that the leads are in our email list, our next step is to retarget them with email marketing, which is sending emails, newsletters, of course. And if you have a follow-up sequence set up for your email service provider, then you're good to go. So, for example, this is mine. So once someone subscribes to my list, every day they're going to be getting an email. So the first one will be this, I offer an ebook for them, did you get it, and so on. And inside these emails, I will send them to the video that they saw prior entering my list. So let me show you. Alright, so this is the page that the user saw before they entered their information and opt into my list. So headline, for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. If this connects with the user, you can enter their first name. So let's say, I don't know, Ty Lopez. Ty Lopez wants to opt into my offer, and his email is tylopez not real at gmail.com. All right, we'll just put in a few numbers just in case someone actually has that email. Okay, so once they enter it, this is the page that they're going to be landing on. And I actually just got, I don't know if you guys can see it, this is the notification that tells me I have a new list. A new lead that entered my list. So for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin, make sure these two pages are congruent. And this is the video they're going to see.
The online marketing expectation. Start a business,
and
share it.
Basically, I'm going to be sending this page, this link, I'm going to be sending this link in, let me say that one more time. I'm going to be putting this link, hyperlinked inside the emails for every email that I send, every newsletter that I sent. So all of these, all of my emails, I have like 100 of them, way more than 100 of them. All of them have a link in there. Oops, I accidentally logged out. It's terrible. So inside the, I'm sorry. Alright, so basically, where did I begin? So every one of these emails inside have a hyperlink that links back to the video that they saw. And if they didn't sign up, to my offer for the first email, I have a second email, another chance to get them back on signing up. If that doesn't work, I have a third one, and it goes on and on. And just going back to the users that we've subscribed, so it was added around 7 days ago. You can filter it over here, and over here, this is where you put a filter. This is the date added 7 days ago. You can add another filter. Let's say I want to know who actually opened my email, because you can send like a million emails. If no one opened them, it doesn't really help. So you see, did anyone open it out of the 83 subscribers that we actually obtained? So it's from 7 days ago. 34 of them actually opened their emails. 34 of them actually opened my emails. And you can see when they opened it, who opened it, blah, blah, blah. And you can, to further filter it, we can see who actually clicked on the link. Where's the link clicked? Oh, there it is. And nope, that's not link clicked. All right. Wait. Link clicked? No, any clicks. There you go. Any clicks, not link clicks. There. Now, only 8 of them actually clicked. So out of 83, that's almost 10% link clicked, and 34 of them actually opened. So that's around a 41% open. These are really good numbers, and to improve these numbers, there can be many factors or many ways. Let's say that maybe the maybe the landing page or the sales page video wasn't good enough. That if I change it, that could potentially bump up my numbers, or it could be because of my emails, the actual copy that's not written well enough. Maybe if I change it up a little bit, change up a few headlines or whatever, that could bump up the numbers. Or it could be because the solo ad providers list wasn't just, clean enough. I'm not saying it wasn't clean because these are really good numbers, but like if you purchase solo ads on your own and you don't get the numbers that you want, it could have it could be many reasons, and one of them would be because the solo ad providers list wasn't clean. They were giving you cold prospects, it wasn't warmed up for you enough, and you're just going to have to find another solo ad provider on Udemy again until you find the perfect ones. Here you are, we're at the outro of the video. So this, I just wanted to switch things up and not record with the webcam because I know the quality is really bad there. I changed it up on my iPhone to show you guys my setup. So this is where I edit the video. I'm actually editing it right now and just filming the outro real quick so I could talk to you a little bit clearer. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. So that was the video. You just learned how to get traffic from Udemy, buy the traffic, and what to do with the traffic right after you buy it. If you forgot, I know it's a long video, I'll just summarize it. You get the traffic from Udemy and then you retarget them. Retarget them with email marketing. If you do not have an email marketing software provider, I recommend Aweber. That's the one I use. If you don't like that, you can also use GetResponse, MailChimp, SendLane. I've personally never used MailChimp and GetResponse before, but SendLane, it's doable. It's not as good as Aweber, but it's doable. And yeah, so make sure you have the follow-up sequence ready and to go. So once they enter your list, they will be instantly receiving emails from you. And inside those emails, remember to have your affiliate link in there so you get credit for the sale you brought in. That's all I have for this video. Also, I have an ebook that I like to give to you. So I've written this ebook. It took me months. All right, it took a lot of thinking, a lot of writing to put the essentials of affiliate marketing into an ebook. So it's called Affiliate Essentials. I've written it, and inside it's about the tips and tricks on how to master affiliate marketing. If you are interested in starting your own business online, growing an additional income stream, actually be like a digital business owner, then I highly suggest you to check out that book. It's 26 pages, really short read, and it could possibly change your life. Well, it changed mine. Well, I mean, the information in there changed my life, so hopefully I can help someone else, and the link is in the description below. You can just pick it up for free. It's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. Of course, I'm gonna have to ask you for the email because this is what I do, so I'm gonna be asking for an email in exchange, but no money. Anyways, I'm getting really off topic. So that's the video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, so I was just editing the video before and I got an email telling me someone unsubscribed from my list, and it was actually the Tai Lopez guy. The Tai Lopez guy unsubscribed from the list, and it was actually a real email. I thought putting a few numbers in, no one was gonna have it, but apparently they did, Tai Lopez, not real 43 is a real person. So it just shows you that, guys, get your emails the right way, get your subscribers the right way, because if they did not choose to sign up to your list, they're gonna unsubscribe.